Good morning, folks. Mark Wilson here at the Fancave. It's 3:15 in the morning, December 13th, 2016, and what I have here is a chestnut brown Hunter original. I'm not sure the year it's from, but it's a Robbins and Myers. No scroll on the switch housing plate. So, early 80s, I'd assume. Yeah, I actually acquired this one from Brandon C. Johnson. He got one for himself, one for John Pernock, and one for me, so I bought that from him, and yeah, I'll give it a test. It's a pretty quick fan, obviously, and I had to... The switch was broken. The first switch that came with the fan, as soon as I pulled the pull chain came off right in my hand. So I fortunately had I had a dead original back there that I was able to remove the switch from that and swap it out with this one, which is good. The other switch that was in here was kind of cruddy, It was looked like it was connected. The wires were connected with like road tar or something like that, some kind of black substance, and the wires were exposed, and that could have been dangerous. So I actually put it in there and connected wire nuts, so it should be nice and safe. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to turn on the anemometer here to find out what what kind of speed it goes. And let's take it for a test spin. Yeah, it's 2-speed. It's either low or high or medium and fast, however you look at it. I'm reading 3.2 miles per hour right now. And yeah, typical 2-speed. It goes from slow to off to high to off. So it's going to go off and high. I'm getting a consistent reading of 7 miles per hour. So it's yeah, it's zipping along pretty good. And yeah, take a look at this little fan in here. And now for the spin down. I actually haven't added any oil yet, so the spin down might be a little quicker than normal. But I'm not sure how long the fan was sitting for, but There was some oil on the switch housing when I got it, so it's probably leaking a little bit here and there. Well folks, thanks a lot for watching. Please do like this video and click subscribe to my channel called The Fancave, and check out my Facebook page of the same name. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck. We're gonna need it.